सिर्फ 3 घंटे की नींद ली है. नो स्लीप एट ऑल. इतने सारे लगेज के हमने इतने एक्स्ट्रा पैसे दिए प्रिंस. 6,000 pounds. And it's also called the ghost town.
Still love you're the one I can't let.
Finally, we have boarded Phuoc, and it's one of the beautiful destinations in Vietnam. It's based on European style. Really excited to explore this place. So let's explore Phuoc together. Finally, we have arrived at airport. I think we are 1 hour late, but ठीक है. I think ride of 40 to 45 minutes if I'm not wrong. मैंने सिर्फ 3 घंटे की नींद ली है. 3 घंटे भी नहीं, 2 घंटे की नींद ली है. Slept around 12, woke up around 2 because हम लोग की flight was supposed to take off around 5:55 पे. But it got delayed by 1 hour. No sleep at all. And I think that's what vacation is about. There are sleepless nights. All you do is travel, enjoy with your friends. I think I'm having a great time. Of course, बहुत सारी चीजें बीच में ऐसी हुई है जो नहीं होनी चाहिए थी. मतलब हमारे लगेज में पैसे लग गए. तो बहुत बड़ा लेसन है कि टू पैक लाइट, जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स मुझे बहुत टाइम से बोल रहे थे. ठीक है, आई थिंक इट्स पार्ट ऑफ योर ट्रिप. कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा होता रहता है. टू गेट टू लर्न लॉट फ्रॉम दैट. सो हियर आई एम फॉर 2 days. तो अभी वी आर हेडिंग टू Airbnb. इतने सारे लगेज के हमने कितने एक्स्ट्रा पैसे दिए प्रिंस? 6,000 pounds. शुक्रिया. This is my cute pink bag. I bought this from Amazon and it cost me around 400. So मेरा laptop है, mic है, and all other adapters, etc. So yeah, ये हमारे कूली भैया. And she is my sexy Prakriti shell. The moment I entered, I instantly fell in love with the city. I can't even put into words how incredible it felt. It was like if I had stepped into this dreamland. Even though I know it's not an actual European city, that doesn't matter. Look at how beautiful it has been built. I heard it on YouTube that very few people visit here. Let's see how true that is. But I have this feeling that it's going to be an amazing experience. This was the area just right outside my hotel, and it's absolutely stunning. It felt like a paradise, so peaceful with no noise, just an island somewhere serene and beautiful. European based town. यहाँ पे जितनी भी buildings है और infrastructure है, it is inspired by those. And इस particular area का नाम भी मिलान है. So now you can imagine where the inspiration comes from. And it's also called the ghost town because यहाँ पे जो लोग हैं वो बहुत कम है. I will just show you around after I get changed. So we are now heading to our Airbnb and I'm so excited. We carefully chose this one especially for the view and हमने बहुत सारे Airbnbs देखे थे. बहुत सारे endless discussions के बाद हम लोगों ने ये रूम फाइनली जाके चूज किया था. बहुत सारे रिव्यूज देखे थे और इसके व्यूज देखे थे and I was just so excited to be part of this room. Let me show you around. It's bit small but super cozy and cute and girl perspective के हिसाब से ये बहुत अच्छा है. Love the combination of this blue and white color gives that Greece vibe. Let me just show you the view from our balcony. Just look at this. Isn't this incredible? You can see the entire city of Phuoc all at once. This beautiful town is called Sunset Town because you get to witness the most stunning sunset from here. It's absolutely breathtaking. So now we are heading towards Cable Car. It's a famous spot है. So view बहुत ही प्यारा है. तो हम लोग केबल कार के पास आ गए. Can see that car? उसी में हम लोग को राइड करना है एंड एवरी पॉइंट और फोटोशूट. और सबसे अच्छी बात है यहाँ पर ना इतना रश भी नहीं है. तो पीपल लाइक मी हु लव क्लिकिंग पिक्चर, हु लव क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट, यू कैन स्पेंड मंथ हियर. आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस, इतना सुंदर व्यूज है यहाँ पे. एंड यहाँ पर नाम भी ऐसे दे रखे हैं, मिलान, माल्फी, सिटानो नाम दिए ना, वो यूरोपियन बेस्ड नाम दे रखे हैं. इट्स ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ गोस्ट टाउन. टूरिज्म है वो भी उतना ज्यादा डेवलप नहीं हुआ है जैसे कि यूरोपियन स्टाइल है एंड ऑलरेडी लोग यूरोप घूम ही लेते हैं. सो दे फील कि हम यहाँ पर क्यों आए. आई थिंक अगर आप वियतनाम आए हो, इट्स नॉट अ बैड डील टू एक्सप्लोर. मैंने अभी तक यूरोपियन फील लिया नहीं ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग. फॉर मी इट्स काइंड ऑफ न्यू एंड आई रियली लव्ड इट. एंड आई एम ग्लैड कि यूरोप कवर करने से पहले मैंने ये जगह भी एक्सप्लोर किया. सो वी आर नाउ हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स द केबल कार एज प्लान्ड. दिस इज द पाथ दैट लीड अस टू द केबल कार. लेट्स सी हाउ द एक्सपीरियंस अनफोल्ड. तो हम लोगों ने जो केबल कार का बुकिंग था ना, दैट वी डिड फ्रॉम क्लूब. उससे क्या होता है ना, आपको लाइन में लगने की जरूरत नहीं होती एंड यू आर गुड टू गो. As mentioned earlier, we booked our tickets through Klook. All we had to do is just to show our tickets before heading for the cable car ride, and this cable car cost us around 2,200 per person. So finally, we are all set for this much-awaited cable car ride. For those who don't know, this is one of the longest cable car rides in the world, making it a top attraction. People from all over the world come here just for this incredible experience. As we went up, I couldn't help but capture videos and photos. How could I miss out on that, right? But honestly, the views were so breathtaking that no camera could truly capture capture their beauty. The endless blue waters and stunning landscapes were this unforgettable. Phuket is a unique island with a mix of modern and traditional vibes. One part feels very European with pretty streets and charming buildings, while the other reflects the original Phuket city with a more local and authentic feel. As soon as we arrived, we found ourselves in what looked like a garden, and we also heard about a water park nearby. हम लोग ज़्यादा interested नहीं है, but anyhow, we are still gonna explore it. क्या है यहाँ पर? We came across this fish pond and then spotted some cafes. The area felt like a park with souvenir shops, places to eat, and spots to relax. There wasn't much that really caught our eye, but it's still nice to stroll around, just not in this scorching heat. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी थी, so also I was carrying this vanity fan with me. Next, we came across this water theme park. We decided not to go in, especially since it wasn't included in our package and you need to buy separate tickets for it. It seemed more like a place for kids, so we didn't feel like exploring it further. So now we are heading back to our Airbnb. So I'm getting ready for a shoot. इतना fairy tale town है and I really want to do अच्छा सा प्यारा सा cute सा shoot. Let's get started. So this is my dress and I'm going to reveal it once I'm done shooting. So my Prakriti, she is going to help me.
चाहिए साइड चाहिए
ऐसे middle कर दे. Prak has always been my go-to-go makeup artist. Whenever I go out with her or she's around, it's her responsibility to get me ready and she's always does my makeup so beautifully. Honestly, my friends have been such a big help, whether it's about makeup or taking pictures. I'm really excited about the shoot because it's for a brand and I was working against a deadline. I had to complete the shoot here no matter what. And this location is absolutely perfect for showcasing this dress better than anywhere else. We were racing against the time because we needed sunlight to match the concept I had in mind. I had to finish everything before the sunlight faded, so I managed to capture some photos and shoot a few clips, and here are the results.
In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the one I can't let go. In your arms I find my home. Love, sweet love.
After I was done shooting, we were heading towards my favorite thing. So tired and decided to head towards the foot massage we had been thinking about since morning. We searched on Google and found a shop with good reviews, so we decided to check it out. And just look at the streets, they look so beautiful. Everything here is so pretty, it feels like you could just keep walking around all day, never get tired. Finally, we reached our destination and everything felt so peaceful. They welcomed us with the slippers and then we decided to check out the options and see what we wanted to get with. We looked at the prices and it was $1,400 per person for a 60-minute session for a foot massage. And then we met this cute little puppy. It was so adorable. Watching it made me miss my Oreo. After that, they served us with this drink, though I'm not exactly sure what it was called, but it was delicious. Then we dipped our feet to clean them and just relaxed in this soothing water. After the foot massage, we headed back to relax on the rooftop of our hotel, which looked absolutely beautiful. We dipped our feet in the pool and enjoyed this stunning night view of Phuket. This is what Sunset Village looks at night, and they have this amazing night show every evening, complete with fireworks and everything. We were so lucky that our room faced the show, so we didn't have to go all the way to the bridge to watch it. Otherwise, we have to pay for that. So we could enjoy it from our hotel. We decided to stay in and watch it from here, and it was incredible. So guys, this was my first day in Phuket. Stay tuned for part 2 and I will see you next weekend. Bye bye for now. Also, do not forget to share, subscribe and like my channel.